Hello everyone! Today I will be making stir-fry glass noodles. In Laotian we call it sen lon. In Thai they call it bun sen. It comes in a pack in a pink bag, nets like this. There's about 8 bundles in the pack. This is half. So in here I have 1 pack already. I'm gonna add this half in there as well. About these glass noodles, there are different brands. I tried a lot of brands and most of them are kind of dried. This one is really good. It's got that kind of sticky texture a little bit and soft at the same time. These glass noodles don't require a lot of soaking. You only need to soak them for 10 minutes and drain. You stir fry. And then ingredients today are I have about 4 tomatoes. I think it's called Roman tomatoes. They're kind of like a little big but kind of shape of grapes, kind of long. I'm not sure the name, I forgot. You can use any tomatoes of your choice. I have about 5 eggs. This is the hen that's left from chicken pho that I made the other day. I freeze them up if I have left over. And I have about 6 cloves of garlic crushed. Some onions, half onions. The green onions I'm gonna use for toppings at the end. When I turn off the heat, I'm gonna sprinkle this in there. I also have Chinese Napa cabbage and some carrots and some green peppers. Okay, let's see how it's made in a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce. I have 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon chicken powder, looks like that, 1 teaspoon black pepper, a little bit less than a teaspoon salt, about 3/4 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon sugar. I like this soy sauce a lot. My sister from Laos introduced this to me. It's really light and it smells really good. It's less than $5. It's not as salty. So I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons. 3. Less than a tablespoon of curry. Half teaspoon MSG, two tablespoon oyster sauce. Let me get this oyster sauce out of the spoons. About 1 teaspoon or less, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Gonna preheat the wok on high. Now add the chicken. Because it takes a while to cook. Not a while, but longer than other vegetables.